All right, guys. Hey, welcome back. I want to get on here real quick to show you a quick video of how to save your files as a PSD. Um, Now, I show you in the videos where I go through the demo, but many of you are not uploading the PSD file. So I wanted to make sure that I do another video that's strictly just about saving this as a PSD, because a lot of you have to resubmit your work. So this is the work of one of your classmates. I figure I might as well use it since I'm going through the grading. And so he has completed his file. So when he goes to save it, I'm going to save it as a totally different file just for the purposes of uh, this demo. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and then when I go to Save As, a dialog box is going to pop up, and it's going to, I'm looking for that dialog box. Hang on one second. I tell you guys I have two screens, so it's probably popping up in the other one. Yep. So this dialog box is going to pop up, and it's going to ask you, it's going to say, save to cloud documents or save in your computer. I'm just gonna save on the computer for now. All right, so I'm gonna hit save on the computer. And then once I hit save on the computer, the save as dialog box comes up. So let's say I name this, since it's a demo, I'm gonna say PSD save demo. Okay, so PSD save demo, and I have to tell it where to save. For now, I'm just gonna save it on the desktop. So now I'm on a Mac. So your computer, if you're on Windows, looks a little different, but it's pretty much the same principle. The only thing we did was save as. That box is going to come up. I'm choosing desktop. You'll have a drop down somewhere over here. Format stays Photoshop. So that's the most important part. PSD just stands for Photoshop document. So format PSD. Then I'll choose save. Okay, and then the dialog box comes up talking about the compatibility. I'm just going to hit OK. So when you do that, your file that you're going to actually upload is going to be a PSD. It's going to be whatever you named it, .psd. See that right here? .psd. So that file is going to be saved wherever you tell it to save. I need that file. Then I also need that PNG. I don't need to do a video on the PNG because most of you got that part correct. But just that PSD, I have to have that PSD file, because if I don't, then when I look into your layers, I have nothing to grade. And so that's why the grade is 0 until you give me something to grade. So go ahead and save it correctly and then upload it for me. If for some reason Blackboard doesn't let you upload, let me know. Let me know as soon as possible, and I will go in there and make sure that you can upload it. But that's pretty much been the main issue that I see, is that you guys aren't saving it correctly. Another issue is a few of you guys are flattening it, but don't worry about that. I don't want to confuse you guys who are doing it correctly. So the main issue is just saving that file. So make sure you save that PSD and that PNG, upload both, and then you're good to go. All right. All right. I look forward to seeing you guys work. Thank you.